हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज तो पहले मैं आपकी अटेंडेंस ले लूं, तब मुझे पता लग जाएगा कि आप में से कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठते हैं लेक्चर सुनने के लिए, कितने नहीं। जो भी इस लेक्चर को सुने वो काइंडली व्हाट्सएप पर मुझे यस का मैसेज भेज दे मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पर, ताकि मुझे पता लग जाए कि यू आर लिसनिंग टू माई टॉपिक और नॉट। I request you to listen the topic daily. Ayushi Singta, Akanksha Sharma, Ankita, Kalpana Sharma, Mokshika, Prabjot, Shakshi, Sapna, Shariba, Shrestha, Swati Bhardwaj, अमरजीत, नसीमा, गुरविंदर, हिमांशु, मनीष, नितेश दुबे, सौरभ राणा और मेरा प्रिय स्टूडेंट सुशांत। और दो स्टूडेंट्स जो कॉमर्स के हैं वे सब काइंडली सेंड देयर अटेंडेंस by just typing yes on my WhatsApp number। 3-4 दिन से हम एक ही टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं, फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है। इस चैप्टर में से और के साथ 2 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे एग्जाम में, दिस और दैट। So we have so far read definition of physical education and wellness। चाहे वो डेफिनेशन वेबस्टर एनसाइक्लोपीडिया की हो, चाहे वो डॉक्टर करोल्स की हो या किसी अन्य राइटर की हो, हमने उन डेफिनेशंस को पढ़ा है। और फिर हमने पढ़ा है इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस। और इंपॉर्टेंस में जैसे हमने लिए थे टॉपिक्स या कुछ पॉइंट्स लिए थे, हार्मोनियस ग्रोथ, बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ life, etc. Then we studied about the various components of physical fitness and wellness: strength, speed, endurance, coordination and flexibility। Then उसके बाद हमने पढ़े थे फैक्टर्स, कारक, जिसे कहा था कि कौन कौन से कारक हैं जो फिजिकल फिटनेस और वेलनेस को अफेक्ट करते हैं। वो कारक थे जैसे हेरिडिटी थी, बैलेंस्ड डाइट था, एक व्यक्ति विशेष का प्रोफेशन था। ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी स्टडीड इन द फैक्टर्स। देन इन द लास्ट लेक्चर वी स्टडीड अबाउट प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन, और वी कैन से फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस। प्रिंसिपल्स, सिद्धांत। क्या सिद्धांत है किसी कार्य करने के? सिद्धांत होते हैं, मैंने बताया था। तो यहां पर भी ये पढ़ा था हमने, व्हाट आर द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस, रेगुलरिटी, ओवरलोडिंग, साइंटिफिक एंड स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग एंड सो ऑन। सो टुडे वी आर अगेन गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज मीन्स ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड वेलनेस। मीन्स, क्या तरीके हैं, क्या साधन है फिजिकल फिटनेस और वेलनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए। बट जस्ट लाइक माय प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स, मैं आपको 1 मिनट दूंगा। उस मिनट में आपने अपनी नोटबुक, पेन और पेंसिल या पेंसिल लेकर के बैठना है, एंड यू विल नोट द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, इम्पोर्टेंट हेडिंग्स, so that you can make your own notes afterwards. You can listen the lecture again and again because it is on YouTube. This is the benefit of YouTube. You can listen the lecture again and again and can note down the points, can make your notes, own notes in your own language if possible. Then wait, I am waiting for 1 minute and you start bringing out your notebooks and pen, pencil, etc. Now I think 1 minute is over and we should start with the topic, that is means of physical fitness development. फिजिकल फिटनेस डेवलपमेंट के क्या साधन हो सकते हैं, क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं जिससे हम अपनी फिजिकल फिटनेस और वेलनेस को डेवलप कर सकें. एंड हियर वी विल हैव 5 points. One is your aerobic activities, through aerobic activities. Number 2, through anaerobic activities. And third is through games and sports. Fourth is through yoga. And the fifth is through recreational activities. So all these things, they can help us to improve our physical fitness development. So these are the means of physical fitness development. We will now study them one by one. And the first is your aerobic activities. Aerobic activities. Aerobic, as the word suggests, पहले भी शायद कई बार आ चुका है word, air, aerobic, from air. Aerobic activities, the meaning of aerobic activities is with air. Hence, these are the activities which can be performed in the presence of air only. The word aerobic was first introduced by American fitness expert Dr. K. Cooper. In these exercises, we breathe deeper and take more of air because it is in the presence of oxygen. We take more of oxygen into our lungs. And we have a system in the body that is heart and lungs. We call it cardiovascular or cardiorespiratory system. It will use oxygen and it will break the carbohydrates and fats which are present in the body. When we take food, carbohydrates and fats, they go into the body. So these are broken with the help of oxygen. All the aerobic activities, they are done with lower intensity, but for a longer time, lower intensity and for a longer time. Because lower intensity means we should go slow. Longer time, we can use oxygen for a long time. We can work for a long time because oxygen is present. The muscles use this oxygen, increased oxygen, because in the oxygen we are there. The increased oxygen is coming to the body and muscles they use and give carbon dioxide. It is said that 13 times more energy is produced in these activities. In these exercises, they produce 13 times more energy in the body. And the main aerobic exercises are jogging, cycling, calisthenics, and rhythmic exercises. The 4 types of exercises: jogging exercises, then we have cycling, then we have calisthenics, then we have rhythmic exercises. These 4 types of exercises are there which can be done for aerobic activities, and we will take them one by one. First is jogging. Jogging, you must have heard, all of you, that it is very popular exercise. Everyone says that I had gone for jogging in the morning. So jogging is very common. Individual in this individual runs at a moderate speed, not very fast. Runs, but at a low speed. Does not walk only. Walking is something else. It is jogging. Jogging means running at a slow speed in repeated steps. The intensity of jogging depends upon the person who is doing jogging. It depends upon the person that what is his her ability. Only then he can run more or less. The concept was given in 1960s, mid of 1960s, and millions of people all over the world do jogging for the development of endurance. Endurance is developed. Jogging is done with loose clothing, कपड़े ढीले डालते हैं हम, एंड शूज, और शूज भी कैसे होने चाहिए? कुशन्ड शूज होने चाहिए, कुशन्ड शूज एंड फिट, ढीले शूज ना हो, फिट हो बिल्कुल, उसको डाल करके हम वी डू जॉगिंग. जॉगिंग जो है, इट इज सेड इट शुड बी डन एटलीस्ट 3 kilometers a week, not in one day, but in a week we should go for 3 kilometers. But it is advised that the persons above 35 years of age or having some trouble like heart trouble, asthma, diabetes, etc., they should not run at their own. They should first consult a doctor. Before starting jogging, they must go to a doctor, and only then he or she should start jogging. Though it's very easy, but even then, after the 35 years of age, we should not go for jogging without the consultation of a doctor. If we are ill, we are having some trouble, we should not go for jogging. Then we have the second aerobic activity is cycling. Cycling. Everyone likes cycling. Cycling is the best exercise, but it is best for all age groups. Every age group can go with little speed, medium speed, or more speed. Cycling is considered the national sports of France. And the most famous and adventurous event is Tour de France. Tour de France means travel throughout the France. In this cyclists, they cover the entire France. Cycling is one of the best aerobic exercise because it can be done for enjoyment also as well as for fitness also. Cycling is of two types. One is road cycling and the second is with the help of a machine which is present in the home. That is also called pedaling machine. So road cycling develops cardiovascular system. It also develops strength in the body, particularly in the legs, and endurance of the body. It is the best for those, at least for those whose profession requires long sitting. Long sitting. अब क्लर्क हैं, long sitting उनकी होती है ऑफिस में, and some other professions may be like that, where the long sitting is required. Even the principal of your school has a long sitting. So these persons, they must do cycling. In cycling, some points must be taken care of. The first point we can say, it should be done regularly. ये नहीं कि 2 दिन करा, 1 दिन छोड़ दिया. It should be done regularly. It should not be done in crowded places. Crowded places में क्या हो सकता है? You may get less oxygen. So it should not be done in crowded places. For long cycling, cycle should be checked first. Proper mechanic से उसको check करवाया जाए. Only then we should go for long cycling. If we cannot go for cycling outside, then we should use a pedaling machine, as I told you earlier, at home. And it should be according to the aim to be achieved. What is our aim of cycling? We want to enjoy only, or we want to obtain some ability? So it depends upon that. So jogging and cycling, and the third is your calisthenics. Calisthenics is the next point, and it is made up of two words. Kalos means beautiful, and stenos means strength. So it means kalos, beautiful, and it is strength. So beautiful strength, beautiful body, we can say. And beautiful body means our body should look beautiful, and it should have strength also. Not only beautiful, not murti na ho sirf, sundar murti na ho, but it should be with strength. So calisthenics, what are they? फ्री हैंड एक्सरसाइजेज हैं ये, जो जनरल लेवल ऑफ फिटनेस को डेवलप करती हैं. दे आल्सो डेवलप कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. These also produce temperature in the body, increase the temperature of the body, and blood circulation of the body. All these things, they are improved with the help of calisthenics. Calisthenics can be done with or without partner, and also only for 5 to 10 minutes daily. So what are 5 to 10 minutes? Everyone can take. In these activities, we should do jumping करा जाए, chin-ups मैंने ठोडी को ऊपर ले जाना लटक करके, sit-ups जिसे बैठकें कहते हैं आप, push-ups, arms circling, arms को घुमाना, अपनी arms को घुमाते रहना ऐसे करके, एंड मार्च पास्ट करते हैं, बच्चे भी करते हैं मॉर्निंग में असेंबली में, और एनसीसी की परेड, स्काउट परेड, कहीं भी मार्चिंग करते हैं. रोटेशन, बॉडी को रोटेट करना, पेट भी साथ रोटेट हो रहा है, योर बेली इज आल्सो रोटेटिंग. डम्बेल रेजिंग, डम्बेल जो आपके वेट लिफ्टिंग में होते हैं डम्बेल, उनको थोड़ा उठाना, ऊपर नीचे लाना. हाफ स्क्वाट होता है कि गोडे जो आपके नीज हैं उनको बेंड करके और अपने हाथ को बेंड करना और नीचे होना, हाफ, आधा झुकना. सो ऑल दीज एक्सरसाइजेज दे मेक द बॉडी, वी कैन से, fit, and blood circulation improves. So after calisthenics, we have rhythmic exercises. Rhythmic, as the word says, rhythmic means exercises with rhythm through drum beat or music. Music is kept on or drums are beaten and the rhythmic exercises are done. These are those exercises which include डांस हुआ, जिम्नास्टिक्स हुआ, ड्रिल हुआ, लेजियम, etc. These exercises are helpful in developing endurance, flexibility, coordination. All these abilities, these can be increased with the help of these rhythmic exercises. Sometimes some equipment is also used. कई बार बॉल हाथ में लेते हैं, कई बार रिबन लेते हैं बच्चे हाथ में, रोप से भी होता है, रोप लेकर के इन एक्सरसाइजेज को किया जाता है. एक्सरसाइजेज जो हैं वो क्या करती हैं, हार्ट, लंग्स और ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, इनके लिए बहुत अच्छी हैं. दे आर वेरी गुड फॉर हार्ट रेट, फॉर लंग्स एंड फॉर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. द एक्सरसाइजेज शुड बी डन एज पर द कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए पर्सन. ये तो क्या, कोई भी एक्सरसाइज, इट शुड बी डन एज पर द कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए पर्सन, जितनी कैपेसिटी हो उतना ही कराया जाए उस पर्सन से, ओवरलोड ना किया जाए उसको एकदम से। स्लोली एंड स्लोली हम लोडिंग कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट एट वंस, and these should not be done after heavy meals, and similarly other exercises they should not be done after heavy meals. So these are the rhythmic exercises. And then the second factor, or we can say second point for fitness, body fitness, is your anaerobic activities. These were the aerobic activities: calisthenics, rhythmics, you can say cycling, jogging, all they were in the presence of oxygen. But there are some activities which are done in the absence of oxygen. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen. We can say without oxygen. The term anaerobic means without air, without oxygen. These are done with high intensity and high rate of work, but for a shorter time, because oxygen is not there. We can work only for a shorter time. We can do this activity only for a shorter period, but we can do with high intensity. It is done for 10 seconds to 2 minutes. इसमें कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइज आ जाती हैं? हैवी वेट लिफ्टिंग आ जाती है, स्प्रिंट्स में शॉर्ट रेसेस, 100 मीटर रेस, 200 मीटर रेस, पुशअप्स आ जाते हैं, सिटअप्स आ जाते हैं, शटल रन मीन्स गोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, कमिंग बैक एंड देन अगेन गोइंग जस्ट लाइक ए शटल इन द बैडमिंटन. दीज आर द शटल रेसेस. In these races, in sprint races, very less time is taken, but intensity is heavy. We are to work heavily to win the race. We run at a larger speed, but without oxygen. Even we don't breathe in these exercises. So intensity level is very high, as I told. So these anaerobic activities, the intensity level is, it is said, 90 to 100% of maximal heart rate. आपका हार्ट रेट है, उसकी मैक्सिमम हार्ट रेट हर एक का अलग अलग हो सकता है. तो उसका 90% ऑब्टेन हम कर सकते हैं, तो 100% तक ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. बट सिंस मोस्ट ऑफ दीज एक्टिविटीज आर डन इन द absence of oxygen, these cannot last long, as I told, and during this exercise a product is formed in the body that is called lactic acid. You have heard time and again. Lactic acid is produced, and the lactic acid, you know, it is harmful. It will contribute to muscle fatigue and must be burnt. इलेक्ट्रिक एसिड को हटाना पड़ेगा, मस्ट बी बर्न. अब कैसे बर्न होगा? इन द रिकवरी पीरियड. इट मीन्स वी मस्ट टेक रेस्ट आफ्टर दीज एक्टिविटीज, एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ रिकवरी पीरियड, ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट नाउ, एंड इन द रिकवरी पीरियड it will allow the muscles to use oxygen for regaining the lost energy. The energy which we have used in these activities, that will be regained, and the lactic acid will also be removed, and we are then be ready for the next activity. But one thing we must remember, that both these type of exercises, may be aerobic and anaerobic, both are very important for the development of fitness. ये नहीं भी एक तरह की एक्सरसाइज कर ली, दोनों ही एक्सरसाइजेज इंपॉर्टेंट. बट ऑलवेज कंसल्ट ए डॉक्टर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज प्रोग्राम. चूज एक्टिविटीज दैट वी एंजॉय and are within our reach. So both these activities can be done maybe aerobic and maybe anaerobic. Only then we can obtain fitness of the body or physical fitness. And the next is about games and sports. The second point I told you, that is games and sports. Games can be individual games, games can be in a team, and games can be of your interest, maybe of your interest, may not be of your interest. Some games you may like, some games you may not, and for some there is facility, and for some other games you may not have any facility nearby you, but choose the game best you can use. The games are for recreation also, for competition also, and to keep our body physically fit. The various games and sports, they develop different types of components of fitness. Components of fitness we have already studied: speed, endurance, strength, etc. So different games different components को डेवलप करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बास्केटबॉल है, वॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल, हॉकी, ये एक तरह के गेम है सारे लगभग. दे विल डेवलप स्पीड, एंडुरेंस एंड स्ट्रेंथ. वेट लिफ्टिंग है, रेसलिंग, जूडो, ये एक तरह के गेम्स हैं. दे विल प्रोड्यूस फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ. फिर जिम्नास्टिक्स है, योगा है, ये एक तरह के गेम है, एक टाइप के गेम्स हैं. दे डेवलप फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. देन स्विमिंग, लॉन्ग रेसेस, रोड साइकिलिंग और जूडो, these types of games, they will develop cardiorespiratory system. Kho-Kho develops flexibility and coordination. So most of these games involve running, jumping, throwing. So they develop all the fitness components simultaneously. These have been included in the school curriculum also for all-round development of the child. The fourth point is yoga. Yoga, everyone knows what is yoga. This is also one of the means of fitness. Yoga comes from the Sanskrit verb yuj, meaning to unite. So spiritual goal of yoga can be to unite oneself with God. In yoga, deep breathing helps in increasing oxygen intake of the body. This results into burning up of fat. Fat of the body burns up. उससे क्या होगा फिर? वाइटल कैपेसिटी विल बी देयर टू डेवलप एंडुरेंस. तो वाइटल कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी उससे और एंडुरेंस डेवलप होगी. योगा आल्सो इंप्रूव्स पोस्चर एंड इंक्रीजेस कोऑर्डिनेशन. पोस्चर एंड इंक्रीजेस कोऑर्डिनेशन. कोऑर्डिनेशन बढ़ती है डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी में. It also decreases anxiety and stress. ना तो एंग्जाइटी होती है ना स्ट्रेस होता है, दोनों डिक्रीज होते हैं. योगा also reduces fatigue and muscle tension. We can improve our body posture and symmetry also. एक होता है मेडिटेटिव योगा. मेडिटेटिव योगा जो है, इट डेवलप्स कंसंट्रेशन, माइंडफुलनेस एंड क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड. योगा आल्सो इंप्रूव्स डाइजेशन ऑफ द बॉडी एंड वेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. and eliminates them in the form of sweating. पसीना आ जाता है योगा करते करते, तो ये सारी चीजें वहां पर एलिमिनेट हो जाती हैं. We can say yoga makes a person mentally strong and physically fit to bear stress in the field of games and sports and also in life. स्पोर्ट्स और गेम्स में तो है ही है, लाइफ में भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन वी हैव द लास्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज recreational activities. One of the means of fitness will be recreational activities. Recreational, as the word says, those things which will recreate us, recreate others also. So recreation activities can be done individually, they can be done combinedly with 2 persons, 3 persons or more. For example, activities like picnic and camps. Picnic and camps. We go for picnics and we enjoy the picnics, and we also participate in camps, scout camp, NCC camp and so on. There are some soft activities also. Bushwalking. Bushwalking, it is a type of hiking in, we can say, jungle area. Camping, it is also mostly in jungle camps outside the town. Windsurfing, horse riding, these are all soft activities which we do. Then there are some tough activities also, adventurous activities also, like hand gliding, ballooning, water diving, underwater diving, वाटर के नीचे चल जाना, ऊपर से जंप करना एंड गो अंडर वाटर. रॉक क्लाइंबिंग, रॉक पर चढ़ना, पहाड़ पर चढ़ना, एंड वाटर. But there are certain beach activities also which is near the beach, समुंदर के किनारे. As we studied in volleyball also, there is another form of volleyball that is called beach volleyball. So beach volleyball is near the beach. Water skiing also. So these games, they are very popular nowadays, because ordinary games, the young persons, they don't like to play ordinary games. They go for these adventurous activities, the risky activities they go. These activities, they promote tourism also. In Himachal, there are many of these activities are done. In Billing, Kangra, you have some other type of game in which a person flies in the air. So these promotes tourism also and make a person physically fit. So these were the few means of physical fitness and wellness which we have studied, taken one by one, all these points. So remember, if the question comes only of aerobic and anaerobic activities, then you write only for aerobic and anaerobic activities. But if the question is of means of physical, we can say, fitness, then you will have to write all these points up to the recreational activities. Only then you will get marks. So again, I will request, if any one of you is present or has listened to my this topic, then kindly say yes on your through your mobile on my WhatsApp personal number. I will be very glad if you have listened to my topic. Please repeat this every day. Enjoy the topic. Go deep into it. Make notes, because you may have to appear in the next exam only after studying these notes, after studying the books you have at home, and also talking with each other, consulting each other. Thank you very much.